హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు సాకేత్ స్మార్ట్ లర్న్. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే నా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, పక్కనున్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. ఈ విధంగా ప్రెస్ చేసినట్లయితే నా ప్రతి వీడియో ముందుగా మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో వస్తుంది. అదేవిధంగా ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. Next problem, evaluate integration of a power x minus b power x whole square by a power x b into b power x dx. So that is equals to integration of a power x minus b power x whole square by a power x into b power x dx. So in the numerator we have a power x minus b power x whole square. It is same as the formula a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a is equals to a power x and b equals to b power x. Then we write it as integration of a square, that is a power x whole square, plus b square, that is b power x whole square, minus 2ab, that is minus 2 into a power x into b power x by a power x into b power x into dx. So integration of a power x whole square, that is a power 2x, plus b power x whole square, that is b power 2x, minus 2 into a power x into b power x by a power x into b power x dx. So then you can separate the numerator, that is a power 2x by a power x into b power x plus b power 2x by a power x into b power x minus 2 a power x b power x by a power x b power x into dx. So here we cancel it. Here a power 2x means a power x whole square. That means here we cancel a power x and a power 2x. We get a power x by b power x plus here b power x, b power 2x means b power x whole square. We cancel b power x and b power 2x. We get b power x by remaining a power x minus a power x, b power x, b power x cancel, we get minus 2 into dx. So here you can write a power x by b power x as a by b whole power x plus b power x by a power x as b by a whole power x minus 2 into dx. Then separate the integration, we get integration of a by b whole power x into dx plus integration of b by a whole power x dx minus 2 into integration dx. So integration of a by b whole power x dx, it is same as the formula integration of a power x dx, that is equals to a power x by log a. So using that you can write here instead of a we have a by b, that is a by b whole power x by log a by b plus integration of b by a whole power x dx using the same formula integration of a power x dx, that is a power x by log a, but here instead of a we have b by a, so that is b by a whole power x by log b by a minus 2 into integration dx. We know the formula integration dx as x plus c. Evaluate integration of x plus 1 by x whole cubed dx. Solution, that equals to integration of x plus 1 by x whole cubed dx. So it is same as the formula a plus b whole cubed, that is a cubed plus b cubed plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So that equals to integration of Here a equals to x, that is a cubed x cubed plus b cubed, b equals to 1 by x. Then you can write 1 by x whole cubed plus 3a square b, that is 3x square into 1 by x plus 3 into a, that is x, into b square, that is 1 by x whole square into dx. Now integration of x cubed plus, then separate the cubed, 1 cubed, that is 1 by x cubed plus 3 into square and x cancel, remaining we get x, that is 3x plus 3 into, here 1 by x whole square, then separate the square, we get 1 by x square, then x and square we can cancel, remaining 3 into 1 by x, that is 3 by x dx. Now integration of x cubed plus 1 by x cubed you can write as x power minus 3 plus 3x plus 3 by x into dx. You can separate the integration, we get integration of x cubed dx plus integration of x power minus 3 dx plus 3 into integration of x dx plus 3 into integration of 1 by x dx. That is equals to integration of x cubed dx. It is same as the formula integration of x power n dx. So you can put n equals to 3. You can write x power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus integration of x power minus 3 dx. It is also same as the formula integration of x power n dx. You can put n equals to minus 3. You can write x power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus 3 into integration of x dx, that is x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 3 into integration of 1 by x dx, that is the value of integration of 1 by x dx is log x plus c. Now we simplify it, x power 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 4 plus x power minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2 by minus 2 plus 3 into x power 1 plus 1, that is x square by 2 plus 3 log x plus c. Now x power 4 by 4 plus by minus minus 1 by 2 into x power minus 2, take to denominator, it becomes x power plus 2, that is x 2x 1 by 2x square plus 3 by 2 into x square plus 3 log x plus c. So the solution is x power 4 by 4 minus 1 by 2x square plus 3 by 2x square plus 3 log x plus c. Next problem, evaluate integration of a tan theta minus b cot theta whole square d theta. So the solution is integration of a tan theta minus b cot theta whole square into d theta. So here it is same as the formula a minus b whole square, that is a square. A square means a tan theta whole square plus b square, that is b cot theta whole square minus 2ab, that is 2 into a tan theta into b cot theta into d theta. So that is integration of a tan theta whole square, then separate the square, we get a square tan square theta plus b cot theta whole square, that is b square cot square theta minus 2 into a into b, that is 2ab tan theta cot theta, both are cancelled, remaining we have d theta. That equals to integration of a square into, you can write tan square theta in terms of secant square theta, that is secant square theta minus 1 plus b square into, you can write cot square theta as in terms of cosecant square theta, that is cosecant square theta minus 1 minus 2ab into d theta. Integration of a square into secant square theta, minus a square into 1 a square plus multiply with b square into cosecant square theta minus b square into 1 b square minus 2ab into d theta. So integration of a square secant square theta plus b square cosecant square theta remaining minus a square minus b square minus 2ab into d theta. So integration of a square secant square theta plus b square cosecant square theta, take minus as the common factor, remaining we have a square plus b square plus 2ab into d theta. So that is integration of a square secant square theta plus b square cosecant square theta minus of a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b whole square into d theta. Then separate the integration a square into integration of secant square theta d theta plus b square into integration of cosecant square theta d theta minus a plus b whole square into integration of d theta. So that equals to a square into integration of secant theta d theta, value is tan theta, plus b square into integration of cosecant square theta d theta, value minus cot theta, minus a plus b whole square into integration d theta, value theta plus c. So that is a square tan theta plus into minus minus b square cot theta minus of a plus b whole square into theta plus c. So this is the solution of the. Next problem, evaluate integration of tan square x minus cot square x dx. So the solution is integration of tan square x minus cot square x dx. So integration of, you have know the direct formula of tan square x and also cot square x. So we change them as in terms of secant square x and cosecant square x. So what is the value of tan square x in terms of secant square x? That is secant square x minus 1 minus of, we can write cot square x as in terms of cosecant square x, that is cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. So integration of secant square x minus 1 minus into cosecant square x, that is minus cosecant square x minus into minus 1 plus 1 into dx. So minus 1 plus 1 both are cancelled, remaining we have integration of secant square x minus cosecant square x into dx. Then separate the integration, you get integration of secant square x dx minus integration of cosecant square x dx. So integration of secant square x dx, that is tan x, minus integration of cosecant square x dx, that is minus cot x plus c. So tan x minus into minus plus cot x plus c. So this is the solution of the given problem. Next problem, evaluate integration of cosecant x into cosecant x plus cot x dx. So the solution is integration of cosecant x into cosecant x plus cot x into dx. Here we multiply with cosecant x, then cosecant x into cosecant x, that is cosecant square x plus cosecant x into cot x, that is cosecant x into cot x dx. So that equals to, here we separate the integration. So integration of cosecant square x dx plus integration of cosecant x into cot x dx. That equals to integration of cosecant square x dx value is minus cot x plus integration of cosecant x cot x dx value is minus cosecant x plus c, that equals to minus cot x plus into minus minus cosecant x plus c. So the solution of the given problem is minus cot x minus cosecant x plus c. Next problem, evaluate integration of secant x into secant x plus tan x dx. So the solution is integration of secant x into secant x plus tan x dx, that equals to integration of, we multiply with secant x into secant x, that is secant square x, plus secant x into tan x, that is secant x into tan x dx. You can separate the integration. You can write it as integration of secant square x dx plus integration of secant x into tan x dx. So that is equal to integration of secant square x dx value is integration of tan x plus integration of secant x into tan x dx is secant x plus c. So this is the solution of the